Come to in front of me, Vivo Y01, and I'll show you all the box accessories what which device comes by default. So here, as can you see, the first thing that was sure our Vivo device. Here also we got the USB cable, and here we got the original Vivo charger brick, and in this paper box we got the SIM tool, the informations with our IMEI and NSN codes, and also we got here more paperwork. I think that's like the quick guides and the warranty letters, and also we got here the silicone protective case. So that's it. There are here the all box accessories with which our Vivo device comes. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.